Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone is unlocked and updated. Once done, make sure you know the device passcode. Now open Settings and tap Face ID and Passcode. You will be asked to authenticate with your passcode. Enter it when prompted. This is the first actionable step because Face ID controls private access. Once authenticated, you will see toggles for features that use Face ID. Make sure to proceed deliberately to disable only the items tied to hidden or photos access. You now focus on disabling Face ID specifically for the Photos app and any related features that could expose hidden content. Scroll through Face ID and Passcode until you find the list of apps and features using Face ID. Toggle off Photos and any third-party gallery apps listed. Next, open Photos right arrow albums right arrow hidden to check its access behavior. You may need to disable Show Hidden Album in Photos settings. Make sure to test by locking and unlocking. This confirms that Photos no longer uses Face ID. Finish by locking the phone and attempting to access the hidden album to confirm Face ID is disabled for that content. You should be prompted for the passcode instead. If Face ID still grants access, reset Face ID in Settings and recheck toggles. Sometimes a reset clears permission inconsistencies. Make sure to keep passcode-only access as your fallback for sensitive albums, and consider disabling Show Hidden Album entirely if you want an extra layer. If problems persist, restart the device before repeating these checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.